started. Let me just switch it on and off again. You can clearly tell. We'll do it for a while and go off after.